Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be showing you guys how to remove a dark neck organically. So the last video that I did has hit 1K views and I'm so excited about that. So today I was like, let me just top it off but make it organic. So if you'd like to see how to do this, all you gotta do is keep on watching. So guys, first thing first, you need some turmeric. You can use natural turmeric or you can use the powdered turmeric. Thereafter, you're going to need some milk. Any milk can actually work, it can be full cream. This is long life low fat milk. This is the only one that I could find in the fridge. You can use any milk. You can make your mixture, you can make it, the mixture that you're going to be making needs to be a little weak, not too runny, but just a little weak. This is approximately 2 tablespoons of milk. If you want, you can make it weak. If you want, you can add in some lime juice. Lime juice is also organic. Thereafter, you're just going to take this and apply all over. I suggest you get a towel so you don't end up messing your clothing. So yeah, just keep on applying this all over. This is going to lighten your skin naturally. This you need to do at least 2 to 3 times a week in order for you to see results. But the first time that you actually do it, you really do see results because it like changes the whole color of your skin immediately. The turmeric that you need to use needs to be natural. You cannot use a turmeric that has no natural properties or that has been old or kept for a long period of time. It needs to be like alive and awake. So guys, this is what it's going to eventually turn out like. You can go as high up as you want to your neck. Don't be shy, go in and add some more. You can add as many coats as possible, but now we just gotta wait for 10 minutes.
Much later.
So guys, once you sense that it's actually drying or it's hardening onto your skin, what you're going to do is take it out before it actually hardens. So I've got my water in my dish here. And now we're going to wipe it off. So guys, this is what it actually turned out like. As I said, to see good results you need to do this more than 2 to 3 times a week, and I promise you're going to see drastic results. You can add in some lime juice. Do not add in bicarb because it's really harsh to the skin. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another amazing video. I'm out guys.